Hey everybody, what's going on? Today we're taking a look at the Watchy from SQFMI. It's a completely open source hardware and software smartwatch. The KiCad design files, the PCB, the schematics, the bill of materials is all there, as well as software. So you can just go on GitHub and grab all of that stuff and learn how this thing was made. And the cool thing about it is that you can buy it now and have a play with it and put it together and start developing for it. You can use Arduino, you can use MicroPython, you can even use ESP IDF. So let's have a quick look at it and assemble it. So this is the Watchy PCB. It's revision 4. It's the latest revision. Now the microcontroller right here is an ESP32-S3FN8. It's a 32-bit microcontroller, and it is based on the Tensilica Extensa architecture, not ARM, but the Extensa architecture. Now the cool thing about this microcontroller is that it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and we can see the PCB antenna here. And it also has a built-in UART, or USB to serial, so you don't need a discrete IC for the USB to serial communication. Now, the IC right here is a 3-axis accelerometer for gesture detection and other things that you could use it for. The other things that we have an FPC connector for the I2C for the display, and we've got 4 tactile buttons. We've got a vibration motor. We've got micro USB, that's the battery connector right here. And if we look at the back, its bottom side is pretty clean. There's nothing else just apart from the traces. And yeah, so this is the board for the Watchy, at least the latest version. Now this is the e-ink display. As you can see, it's super clear, like compared to my Apple Watch. You can see that this thing is, let's see, I mean, this is just a rough comparison, but you can see that it is really nice. And it's not powered right now, but when I was testing it, I did power it up, and as you can see, it does retain the last image it was displaying, since it's an e-paper display. Okay, so we start off our assembly by connecting the screen to the PCB using the FPC connector. Once that's done, we're ready to attach the battery. And after that, we can attach the case. Now, since I'm using a case, the battery and the screen will be held in place quite firmly, so I don't need to use the double-sided tape that was provided with the watch. Makes things easier if you need to disassemble it in the future. As you can see, everything fits snugly. That's it. Now we attach the straps. All right, so I'm doing the Nicholas Hike maneuver here. I'm wearing my Apple Watch next to the Watchy. Now, the Watchy is a watch made for tinkerers, while the Apple Watch is a consumer level watch. Whether you should get a Watchy or not, it all depends. Are you a maker? Are you somebody who's keen on learning how things work? Are you keen on electronics, perhaps the hardware aspect or the software or both? Well, the Watch is a great platform to do that because they give you everything. They give you the hardware aspect and they give you the software aspect to play with. So it's a great learning platform. It's a great tinkering platform. It's a great platform that perhaps will get your creative juices flowing, and that you would eventually want to create your own sort of smartwatch platform that you could build stuff on, right? So you don't necessarily have to use their own design, but it could help jumpstart your own design. So highly recommended, I would say, if you're that type of person who wants to build and make things, definitely. As for the Apple Watch, I'll still keep using the Apple Watch. However, I'll still use the Watchy in all sorts of different projects that I'm planning for it. So yeah, I'll be posting other videos from time to time related to what I'm doing with the Watchy. So stay tuned for that. Right now, I haven't even set it up yet, so the time is wrong, but really keen on playing around with it and doing some really cool and fun stuff with it. So I'll be posting videos in the future. So if you do like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. So keep making.